Come here. Today I'm going to tell you a secret, and that is I'm having a bad day today. My name is Adya, and usually I want to talk about the good things and the positive aspects of our life, but today it's a little different. Today I'm only going to talk about bad things because I'm having a bad day. And I just want this day to be a very happy one. You want to see how beautiful this day is? Just give me a minute. Let me show you how beautiful this day is actually. It's only 9 a.m. and since the morning, like 5 or 6 bad things have already happened to me. So I woke up on time. Can you please stop yelling right now? So as usual, I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I was feeling good. I did some meditation. Yesterday my TL had called me to tell me that there is some urgent issue which has got escalated due to some of my negligence. So the first thing I did after my meditation is to open my official laptop. I'm a person who loves to work, but I don't like to do it as the first thing in the morning. And then I started cleaning my room. As per usual, I was brooming, so I thought I should broom on the side of my bed as well. I cleaned it and I had a fish bowl in which I used to keep my different kind of colors and stuff. So after cleaning the side of my bed, I just kept that bowl there. And then after cleaning my room, as per my usual behavior, without any reason, jumped on my bed. There was very little distance in between the wall and the mattress. The mattress slipped towards the wall, and you can imagine what would have happened with that fragile fish bowl. It smashed right away. I didn't want to start my day with any negative emotions, so I was like, okay, ठीक है, जो आता है वो जाता है. And then I moved on and started doing other things. Then, then I thought it's Sunday. I should clean my water purifier. There are like 3 filtration rods which are installed in my filter. I was very gently rubbing them to clean the gunk off from them. And then suddenly one of the rods broke into 2 pieces. I was like, I was not even applying any pressure. I was so gentle. I was so genteel with it. A few hot minutes, I was not able to process like, now what can I do for my water purifier, because the last thing I would like to do is to go out and find another new rod to install. And when I couldn't think about any jugaad, I just placed that broken piece right back on top of the lower broken rods, because these rods work like a filtration unit, and the water passes through the layers of these rods and then filters out in the lower section. So I filled the upper section with water, and just after a few minutes all the water came running down through the walls. God, I was trying to keep my calm so bad in that situation, because I have already mopped the entire room and now this is happening, and now I have to mop the floor again. So I thought, no, I'll not let this day be a bad day for me. So I thought, like, what are the good things which are going to happen this day? And I have placed this huge order which consists of like 34-35 items. Actually, my brother has placed this order from his app because he had some membership or special coupon. So I was so excited for this order, because for the first time I have ordered tofu. I was already dreaming about grilling my tofu, enjoying it in the bowl of noodles, giving it to Poo to taste for the first time. And so I thought, it's already 7 o'clock. Let me just ask my brother once again, like, where is my order? So still now, as confirmed by him, my order was in the slot of 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. I had placed such a huge order this time that I didn't buy any of the groceries offline, just because I already planned the date accordingly. I was like, okay, theek hai. So I only had to worry about the ration and the groceries only till 15th. On 16th, I'll get my order. So I was prepared like this. So in a nutshell, apart from potatoes and a few other vegetables, I have nothing to eat, not even a single packet of Maggi. And when I've called my brother just to confirm like when I'll get my order, he told me that the slot of the delivery 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. It means that now I have to pass my entire day without any food supplies. Boil some potatoes for myself, and now I'll think really hard what to do with those potatoes so that it can curb my hunger for at least few hours, and then we'll see. I have to do my office work as well. I'm really thankful to the universe that at least I had some food to poo poo, so at least poo poo is not hungry. And now I have to think that what I can eat